In the case of IP version 6, this is a bit different. We have to realize the sixth version of IP protocol is being increasingly used, especially in Asia, where the IP version 6 protocol has already become a default one. Other versions have fallen out of use. In Europe, the fourth version of the protocol is still largely in use. Nevertheless, even there, operating systems of hosts and networking devices have built-in IP version 6 support enabled by default. Also, IP version 6 is the default version of this protocol. If two hosts can use IP version 6 to communicate, they will opt for this version instead of the fourth one. Administrators, who for the time being have decided to ignore IP version 6 protocol, manage networks in which this version is used and works. Administrators do not seem to realize this and do not monitor the IP version 6 traffic. This is a serious problem. Now, why do we even have the sixth version of the IP protocol? The primary reason is that we've run out of IP version 4 addresses. In the United States, where the Internet was developed, there is still a number of IP version 4 addresses available. Some universities have bought out whole classes of addresses in advance. They possess a bigger pool of addresses than countries such as China or India. These countries started to run out of addresses some time ago already, hence the transition to IP version 6. How to solve the problem of IP version 4 address exhaustion? You can increase the pool of available addresses. IP addresses were extended from 32 to 128 bits. A 128-bit number is a large one, so it is saved in a different format. The format consists of 4-digit groups of hexadecimal numbers. IP version 6 introduced an important change related to subnetting. In IP version 6 addresses, the network address always has a fixed length. This is a marked difference from the IP version 4, which utilizes either classes or CIDR and doesn't allow you to distinguish between the network and the host address. In IP version 6, the first 64 bits always correspond to the network address. 48 bits describe the main network, and the remaining bits correspond to subnets. The last 64 bits of the IP version 6 address is the host address. The IP version 4 addresses are arranged hierarchically. You can easily group them together into subnets.